Nokia 7.1 has now launched in India and it will go on sale on 7 December. Since we have the unit with us, we're sharing our unboxing experience with you. Let's begin. The box has a familiar design similar to what we've seen on other Nokia phones that were launched this year. On the back, you have the basic specs mentioned, which we'll come to right after the unboxing. For now, let's dig in. Opening the box, we get a sense of deja vu, since this has been the layout for all Nokia phones this year. The device itself comes neatly wrapped in plastic, which we'll take off for a better look. The front is quite uncluttered and you can see a phone's small notch design on the top. The back has a premium glossy finish with a vertical dual camera setup and the fingerprint scanner. There's also the prominent Android One branding. Let's boot it up and keep it aside for now. Right below the phone you can find the SIM eject tool. Under that there's the usual documentation, warranty and quick start guide. Now let's see what's in the box on the left. Okay, so there's a charger, a USB Type-C cable, and finally a pair of earphones. So here's a quick recap of everything that comes bundled with the Nokia 7.1. Now we get back to the device. The dual SIM Nokia 7.1 runs on Android 8 Oreo. Since it's based on the Android One program, there's an update to Android 9 Pie arriving over the air for buyers in India. It sports a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus PureDisplay panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio, HDR10 support and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The handset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC, which is paired with 4GB of RAM. There's 64GB of inbuilt storage that's expandable up to 400GB via microSD card. Now in terms of optics, the Nokia 7.1 bears a vertically aligned pair of dual rear camera setup that consists of a 12-megapixel primary sensor with autofocus and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with fixed focus. On the front, the handset sports an 8-megapixel fixed focus sensor with an 84-degree field of view. There is a 3060 mAh non-removable battery under the hood with 18-watt fast charging, delivering 50% charge in 30 minutes. The Nokia 7.1 price in India is set at 19,999 rupees and it will go on sale in the country from 7 December. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for a full review coming up soon, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.